Hi there and big welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rihab and I'm extremely thrilled that in today's video I'm bringing you an inside look of a Shopify app that's not only innovative but it's also extremely effective. Picture having an assistant that's not only super smart and tireless, but it excels also at chatting, at boosting your sales and managing your email campaigns. Well, that's what Tidio does, and that's why I think this is an excellent app that you must know about. In today's video, we are going to see how Tidio merged AI chats with sales chatbots with email marketing in order not only to improve your customer service, but also to amplify your sales. And we are going to see how Tidio does all of that in a very intelligent and user-friendly way. So get yourself ready and comfy, maybe with a cup of coffee, and let's start together exploring the magic of Tidio. And before moving forward with our topic, I'm very excited to announce that this video is made in partnership with Tidio. To me, it's always fantastic to collaborate with partners who are helping businesses to thrive and grow. So are you ready to see how? Let's get into it. And not only that, you can use it as a lead magnet tool by capturing your visitors' information, nourishing the connection between them and your brand, and hopefully converting them into customers. So, as a summary, Tidio will help you to improve your customer service, it will help you to make it more efficient and less costly, and not only that, it will help you to boost your sales. If we compare Tidio to other tools in the market that are similar to it, Tidio wins because it's more user-friendly and it integrates seamlessly with Shopify. And not only that, Tidio offers advanced features like, for example, the ability to see live insights of customers' interactions on your store. Let's start with Tidio's first functionality, and it is AI Chatbot and live chat. Did you know that your customers expect you to be there for them 24/7? Well, yes. And this is where Tidio comes by combining the AI smartness with the live chat. Imagine now never missing a beat with your customers. Lyro, Tidio's AI chatbot, allows you to offer 24/7 customer service. And in this way, you can make sure that you are replying to your customers anytime, anywhere. And not only that, Lyro speaks multiple languages, it engages in natural conversations, and it takes the full chat into consideration when replying to a visitor or when interacting with a visitor. And not only that, Lyro can also be customized to be more aligned with your brand's unique style. And you can use Lyro in order to manage repetitive tasks, to reply to the frequently asked questions, and so on. And in this way, you will lower the workload of your customer support team, and you will lower your costs and make the work more efficient. And now let's move to my screen so I can show you how we can set up this step by step. So here I am inside of Tidio.com, and the first thing you need to do is to either create an account or to sign in if you have an account. I'm gonna log in because I already have an account, but if you want to create one, it's very easy. You click here on create a free account and you move forward. So let me sign in first. After signing in, the first thing you need to do is to put in here your brand name. So your customers will be seeing the name in here on the chat, and you need to choose your color scheme and avatar. So I'm gonna put in here, for example, yoga essentials, let's say. And in here, when I change the colors like this, the chat colors will change. I'm gonna pick a random color for now. And in here, you can select the language. So you can go with English, or if you have any other language, maybe French, maybe your website is in Arabic, you go and pick your language from here and you click on continue. After that, you tell Tidio a little bit more about your brand. So what's your main focus in here? Do you want to solve customers' problem, or do you want to increase your sales, or to talk to customers, or you want to automate everything? So you pick what you want. I'm gonna pick everything, actually, because I want to do everything. How many support agents will you use Tidio? If it's a small business, it might be maybe 1 or even 2. What's your industry? So it's either an online store, a service, and so on. In our case, it's an online store, so we are going to pick this one. How many customers did you have last month? So let's say we have something between 26 to 250, and we click on continue. In here, they are asking us to set up our first chatbot. So how would you like to engage your visitors when they enter your site for the very first time? So do you want to send them a discount code in exchange for their email address? And this is what we are going to talk about later on this video, how Tidio can help you to actually collect your customers' leads. You can choose this option, or you can choose just to greet them warmly. It's up to you. I will keep this option because I want to capture my visitors' emails. Capturing those emails will help me to stay in touch with those visitors and hopefully convert them into customers and into repeated customers in the future. So I highly recommend you to keep this option, and I will click on continue. After that, you need to link Tidio to your Shopify store, and this is something very, very easy. You just need to put in here your store name, and that's it. I'm gonna pick, this is one of my stores. I hope it's not already connected to Tidio. Let's try. It's already connected, so let me choose another of my stores, a trial store. So this is one of my trial stores. I'm gonna put the name in here. As you can see, you just need to put your store name and you click on connect to Shopify, and it's already connected. They will take you to the Shopify dashboard in order to install the app. You click on install app, and it's totally free. You don't need to pay anything in here, and that's it. Tidio now will be moving you step by step toward how to install it, what are the steps, and so on. So the first thing they are asking us to do is to add the widget to our store, and this needs to be done on the theme editor. Either you click from here or you go from your Shopify dashboard customization section, where we need to activate the theme Tidio widget. It's super simple, it's straightforward, and this is a step that you need now for every Shopify app that you want to install on your store. So from here, you just need, it's already on, you just need to keep it on and to click on save. And now the Tidio widget is live on our store. In here we have more options if we want to check them out, or we can start exploring the things from the site. I will click on Lyro because this is the first thing I want you to check out, and I will click on start using Lyro. I will click on accept in order to accept their terms. And after that, how would you like to add knowledge to Lyro? Lyro needs knowledge to answer your customers' questions. Select one of these options below to do so. So in here, you can either give Lyro your website URL or your frequently asked questions page, or you can generate your Q&A and create them in here. It's up to you. I'm gonna go with this one since I don't think I have a Q&A page on this trial website. So I will click on this one and click on next. We'll help you automatically to create your frequently asked question if you don't have one. Provide your website URL and we'll generate 25 questions and answers based on your website content. This is actually very smart and very helpful. So I'm gonna go and give them my website URL to do that for me, and click on generate. You can later on adjust these questions, adjust answers, maybe create more questions, more answers, and so on. If you have a frequently asked questions page, this is gonna be way easier because you give it directly to Tidio and they generate directly the questions and answers based on it. So as you can see, they have created the questions in here. You can select some, keep some if you wish, remove some. It's up to you. I'm gonna click on add selected, and you can click on each of these questions and edit these questions. So you click on edit, you change the question and you change the answer. Okay, I will click on activate so Lyro can now talk to our customers, and I will click on OK. In here you can do more configuration, so you can activate or deactivate Lyro. You can choose how Lyro will be working if Lyro can't answer to certain questions. So do they transfer the conversation to an operator? If operators are offline, what do they keep the conversation, and so on. In here you can allow Lyro to use emojis to make the conversation look more natural, and you can also make Lyro multilingual if you wanted to speak in multiple languages. It's still in beta, but I recommend you to use it if you think that you would be receiving customers from all around the world. After that, you have the playground in here to test Lyro and to see how it works. And below you have analytics. So let's give it a small test. So I'm gonna put my email, and as you can see, it's giving me the option to sign up to the newsletter. I'm gonna pick the option and click on send. So are there any additional fees or taxes to international orders? This was my question. This is the answer. I'm gonna type, for example, shipping, and Lyro will be replying to my question. They are giving. Okay, let me ask about, for example, returns, and so on. You can also test with these questions. And as I said before, in here you have the analytics, so you can see how many questions has been asked, the answers, and so on. Okay. So now that we have installed Tidio Chatbot on our website, let's see how it works. So here I am inside of this trial website. I have in here the Tidio chat box. If I click on it, the first thing, it's offering me a discount because this is what I have set up as a welcome message. So hi there, nice to see you. We have a 10% promo code for new customers. Would you like to get one now? I will click on yes, sure. And they will ask me, cool, give us your email address. So I'm gonna give them my email address. and they are going to give me the coupon code. I can copy the coupon code and directly use it. So as you can see, this is extremely helpful. It's very nice, and I can start asking Lyro about any question I have. So let's say I want to know about shipping. I will type shipping time, and they will reply with the answer. Now, if you want to modify more about the appearance of this chatbot, what you can do is to go to Tidio in here, and you go to settings, and in here you will find everything like related to the appearance. So you can put it on the left or on the right. You can change the text. You can customize stuff about how this chat box is going to appear. You can also modify the mobile widget if you wish, like the sizes, everything. And you have in here a small preview so you can see how it looks. Okay, also if you want to change more settings, you find them in here. And now let's move to the second Tidio feature that I want to talk about, and it is Tidio Sales Chatbots. Those chatbots are there to help you increase your sales and keep your customers satisfied. With these chatbots, you can do a lot, and I'm going to show you everything these chatbots do and how you can install them on your Shopify store. You can use these sales chatbots as lead generation tools in order to collect your customers' emails. You can use them in order to increase your sales by recommending products or offering incentives as free shipping, for example, or you can use them in order to help your customers to track their orders or keep updating them on their orders by tracking or maybe checking the status and so on. And finally, you can use them to engage with your customers by using the chat as a pop-up with interactive elements. I guess that the best way to understand these sales chatbots is by moving to my screen and by showing you live how they work and what are the different options you have. I've already seen how to set up Lyro. In this step now, we are going to see how to set up the sales chatbots, and you can access them from here by going to chatbots. And in Tidio's platform or dashboard, they are divided into two different types. First, you have the ones to increase sales, and you have the ones to solve problems. So these are like the two main strategies that Tidio focus on. You have also other chatbots to generate leads and so on, and we are going to explore all of them now. As you can see, to increase sales, Tidio and for solving problems, they recommend these three ones. We are going to check all the different available templates for each of these different strategies, and we are going to pick the ones we think work best for our business. So from here, you go to increase sales. And as you can see, you have a lot of templates that you can pick from. So you have cart abundant, you have cart boosters, upselling, you have welcome messages, and so on. If you go to generate leads, you will find also different templates in here to pick from. If you go to solve problems, you will find also different templates that you can start with. Under strategies in here, they give you like a quick shortcut to what you can do. So you can click on learn more and directly set up these templates if you want to use this strategy. Same for this case in here. Okay, I'm not going to do that. I'm going actually to go to each type of chatbots, and I'm going to install the ones, in my opinion, are the most important ones. So I'm going to increase sales, and I will start first by the welcome chatbot. We have already installed a welcome coupon code for new customers. So we have already used this one, which is discount for new visitors. And if you go in here to increase sales until the analytics, you will see that I have already installed this one. And that triggers is for people who visit our website for the first time. If you click on it, you can see the analytics and you can change it if you wish. I'm going to close it, going back to increase sales. And if you want to change this template, you can definitely do it. So you go in here, you click on use template. You can either test it out. When you do that, they will take you to a page where you can see how the template is functioning. So as you can see, here is the message. You click, you reply, you say yes, sure, you give them your email, and they return back the coupon code. Or you can click on use template and you can modify everything about it. So you can modify the text, you can modify the text in here, and you can modify the coupon code. Okay, Tidio by default generate coupon codes that customers can use, so you don't need to worry about that. And you can click here on advanced editing if you want to like see the flow of the chat box. So
as you can see in here. So as you can see in here, you have like the homepage, which is where the chatbot is going to see. So in here we have the trigger, which is first visit on the site. If someone clicked on yes, sure, then we will ask them a question. The question is, give us your email. If it doesn't give us a good email, they will be saying, oops, it doesn't look like an email address. And finally, we will have the coupon code. If they said no thanks, they will receive this message, no problem, I will be there in case of any question. So this could be very helpful because it's very visual. So if you want to add conditions or if you want to add actions, you can do that directly from here. So if you want to add certain steps or if you want to modify any of these steps, you can do it from here. Okay, let's see what's in. Okay, in here we have a note, maybe it's recorded. Yeah, we need to add a coupon code, so we can create the coupon code and add one from here. Let's say 10% and click on save. And finally, you click on activate. So they are telling us that we already have a chatbot, so we are activating a new one. I will click yes. I'm sure I want to replace this one. Now, when you finish, you just need to click on activate. I'm not going to do that because I already have a chatbot for the welcome and I don't want to like have two overlapping. But anyway, if you click on activate, Tidio will be telling you that there is another chatbot with the same trigger. So make sure that you are not activating the two chatbots at the same time. Now let's close this one. And let's try another chatbot. Let's do the cart abundant and I'm going to click on use template. We can test it out in here if you wish. Order is almost complete. Can you tell us why you abandoned the cart, please? Let's say I found a better deal. Sure, we understand. We'll try to work on that. Right now, we can offer a discount for your shopping today. Would you like that? I will click on yes, and they will be offering a discount for me on the reel. So let me close this one and click on use template. So in here, you can do like basic editing like we have seen before, or we can click on advanced editing and go to see like the full chatbot. It looks a little bit complicated, but you can work on it. So the first thing in here we have is the trigger, abandon the cart, and it should be sent only once within 24 hours. If you don't want to like play around with this, you don't need to because it's already set up in a very good way. They already like done a very good job at setting up the default settings. But if you want to go a little bit more advanced, this is the place where you should be playing. You can click on each of these steps and modify it. So they are here, for example, we have a delay. Here we have an action. Here we have like the chat messages and so on. You can go over each of these steps, modify them, change them, like make them maybe more branded to your need. Maybe if you want to add more conditions, more delays, you can also work from here. When you finish everything, you just need to click on activate and you will have your chatbot activated on your store. So as you can see, we have a lot of options. We have spinning wheel if you want. This one usually has a very high conversion rate. You have Judge Me discount code for a review. This is also nice. This integrates with the Judge.me app in order to collect customers' reviews. This is something very important, and so on. Now, after the increased sales, you have the generate leads, and this one is meant to help you to capture your customers' leads. So you have lead magnet, so subscribe, you have news and updates, you have order via a phone call, and so on. You can also play around with them and see which one of these templates makes sense for your business and for your brand and use it on your store. Finally, we have the solve problems, and this is more tailored toward customer service and making sure that the customers are satisfied. With the same logic, you can like work around these templates, see which ones you want to keep and go with.
Now let's move to the third Tidio's feature that I want to talk about, and it is email marketing. If you are already one of my subscribers, or if you know me from somewhere, or if you have taken any of my courses, you know how much I focus on email marketing and the importance of staying in touch with your customers through emails. Well, with Tidio, you can create and send campaigns to your list, and you can use these campaigns to announce new products, just to stay maybe in touch with your list, or maybe to offer a discount or something like this. And not only that, with Tidio also you can create some basic automation, like for example the welcome flow or the abundant cart flow. And now I'm going to show you how to create this and more in Tidio. So let's move to my screen and let's start with the tutorial. So now we are going to see how to use Tidio in order to send email campaigns. You access this section by going in here to email marketing, and under it you will find campaigns,
automated flows, and my edit. Campaigns are the emails that you send intentionally. So let's say it's Black Friday and you want to offer a discount, or you are launching a new product and you want to tell your customers about it. This is when you send campaigns. You send them for a specific reason, so you set them up and you send them on specific dates. Flows are different, they are automated, and they are being sent based on the customer's behaviors. And under Tidio, we have two types of automated flows. We have the welcome and we have the abandoned cart. Other different flows that you can set up, but they are not until now in here on Tidio. But these two are very important, and they are actually the ones that will bring you most of the money. Let's start by the campaigns. And sending campaigns here on Tidio is actually super simple. You can start either by from scratch, or you can use one of their templates to start with. So let's say you are doing something for Christmas. You can start with this template. I'm gonna, for example, Christmas offers, and I will put something in here. For example, I will send it to all my subscribers, and you can here filter if you want to filter your subscribers. And I'm going to the next step. So here the template will be loading, and you will see the email. You can modify this email. You can add sections, you can remove sections, you can change colors, and so on. So in here you will find the options like the colors, the alignment, and so on. You can play around with them and change everything, or you can click on the section itself, or you can click on the section itself and change the settings from here. You can also decide to hide this element on mobile or on desktop if you want to have different appearances, or if a section doesn't look good on mobile and you want to replace it with something else. You can play around with this in here. And you can as well add sections if you wish. So from here you can add blocks if you want to add images, if you want to add banners, if you want to add menus like this one. And so modifying these templates is super simple, and when you finish doing this, you just need to click on next step. You can send your campaigns. Okay, so either you send it directly, or you can choose a specific time to send it, and that's it. Now moving back to the automations, you go in here to automated flows, and the first one we are going to talk about is the welcome series. The welcome series is very important because it's dedicated for people who signed up to your newsletter. It's for people who are new to your brand, so to introduce your brand to them, to get them to like your products, to understand your products, and so on. You can click on use template and see what they have. So let's say use template. As you can see, these are information about the flows. You can put the subject line income to the club. I'm going to click on next. This is the content of the email, and with the same logic you can change everything about it. You can add sections, modify the sections, add spacers, add menus as much as you wish, and you click on next step and you send it. You need to verify your email address to be able to start sending emails from Tidio. It's super simple. Just follow the instructions and you verify your email. You go in here to settings. When you reach this step, and before starting to be able to send emails, you need to verify your account, and you just need to enter the code that they have sent you, so you start sending emails via Tidio. Now with the same logic, if you go back in here to automated flows, we have the abandoned cart reminder. You just need to set it up and turn it on. You need also to consider some Shopify by default sends abandoned emails for people who left items on the cart, so make sure that you turn off Shopify notifications emails so you don't have two emails being sent to the customer concerning the same issue. We go to the content. This is the content, and we have the send. Okay, so that's it to how you use Tidio to send emails to your list.
So as we have seen through this video, Tidio is an amazing tool that will allow you to increase your sales and improve your customer service. Starting from the AI chatbots, to the live chat, to the sales chatbots, and finally with email marketing. Check the link in the description if you want to start using Tidio today for free. And if at a certain point you decided to upgrade your plan, you will get a 20% off any plan you choose if you go through the link you will find below. Thank you so much for watching this video and for staying up until the end. If you liked this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and to subscribe to my channel and to hit the notification bell, because in this way you will get notified every time I publish a new video. See you next week. Bye bye.